Okay. Boat life means you're always working on something. I've got these leaks around the superstructure. I've patched them before. There, the butyl tape is getting old, so it's time to put new tape in. Eventually this will all be ground down and taken care of, but you can see this is just coming off now. And this is, I'm not worried about this, it's just going to have to be, see, this all has to be ground down and sealed. So we'll just take some of this butyl tape, strip off a piece. That should do it. If not, we can tear off more. And we just pack it in down here. And then it comes up and around and into this back in there. So, take this off. Don't need the paper to show out there. Now I'm going to just squish this in so it forms a tight seal. Like I said, this, when it comes to do fiberglass work on the boat, this is obviously one of the big areas. Okay, there. Get back in that corner. And we're good to go for another year. Don't want this swimming in the bay. It's inert, but fish might try to eat it. Be very bad in crabs. But, it's a nice quiet day in the marina. It's President's Day 2020. And it's pretty nice. It's really, feels about 50-ish water temperature. I was told this morning by Sea and Rescue is that the temperature of the water is up to 43 something. In here it might be a little higher, but overall this is quite peaceful. We're always waiting for what happens when the season arrives and we're all overwhelmed again. And down here we have me. I'm kind of as much as possible on the boat. We have liveaboards, semi-liveaboards, summer liveaboards. Oh, there's Gail. Hi, Gail. Yeah, she's wondering what in the heck I'm doing up here again. I think overall that all has to be rebuilt. Lights. Huh. Yeah, those slowly coming off. Now I saw, where are my holes? I actually saw an antenna mount. What did I do with my holes? They're there somewhere. Oh, I plugged my holes. See, that doesn't make sense. That's in the wrong spot. I actually want to move the antenna up and mount it up here. Put the antenna up here. But we'll get there in the stuff. Well, another flake off. So we're looking pretty good. This is constant. See that pile? I clean that out every month or so. Coolers full of goodies. Playmate holds. A special deluxe item. So the teaser is within this that bag has something very important in it. The shrimp is for jambalaya. That's nice. But yeah. So it's time to say goodbye. And my neighbor has her stuff up. It looks pretty.